Hey everyone, we're going to be doing lesson 21 today, uh, and it's pretty simple. It's all about finding what fraction you will have to multiply in order to change one fraction into a decimal. So let's get started on that. Now I'm going to start here on number 2 for the problem set. And if you notice, they give you the fraction that you have to multiply. So it's 25 over 25. Now, when you multiply this across, we're going to get 25 out of 100, or 25 hundredths. Now, when you change this into a decimal, 25 hundredths is written as that. Okay, and that's all you have to do. Now, let's do this bottom one here. C. If you notice, you have a 1/5. Now, your goal is to change this number either into tenths, hundredths, or even thousandths. Okay, so ask yourself, what number would I need to multiply that 5 in order to get the 10, 100, or 1,000? Now, I would suggest you just do the one that is easiest. So I myself know that 5 times 2 would give me 10. So let's double check. 5 times 2 does give me 10. Now, your top number is going to be the exact same as that bottom number, because what you do to the bottom, you do to the top, because you don't want to be topless. That would be really inappropriate. And again, 1 times 2 is 2. When you change this into a decimal, it is going to give you 2 tenths, which would be written as 2 tenths. So this is going to be easier if you remember your place value. And if you don't remember your place value, remember that you have your columns like that. Here you have your ones, tens, and over here you have your tenths, and over here you have your hundredths, and then you have your thousandths. Okay, so if you forgot about that, hopefully that helps you remember. So let's go ahead and do another one of these. Let's see here. All right, so let's do K right here, because I think this one might trick some people up. Now, for K, if you notice, you have 2 wholes and 6 25ths. Now, the tricky part about this is that you have to realize that this 2 wholes is simply just going to be like this. 2 wholes and whatever we change that 6 25ths into. Okay, so now 6 25ths, I'll put it over here, times a fraction will give me either a 10 or 100 or even 1,000 if we need to go there. Now, 25 times what would give you 10? That one's going to be too tricky to do. What about 25 times what gives you 100? 4. Did you say that? Well, you are right. 25 times 4 does give me 100. Now what you do to the bottom, you do to the top. 6 times 4, 24. And your answer would be 2, and this as a decimal is 24 hundredths. And that is pretty much it. It's not too bad. And that's pretty much it for lesson 21. I hope this video helped, and if it did, great job.